Hello, everyone. This is Brian Kuzdas from S2A Modular. I'm the CEO and co-founder, bringing you another Modular Minute today. Today's discussion is going to be on the advantages of building modular, and we're on advantage number 7, reduce theft and vandalism. Now, think of it. When we're building the outdoor method, we're putting in brand new doors, brand new windows, brand new copper, brand new electric, brand new plumbing, brand new everything. And then we leave at 6 o'clock at night. It's constantly thefted and vandalized. When you're building the modular method indoors, controlled conditions, do you get theft? Of course, you're never going to stop 100% theft from employees, but it's so insignificant in comparison to what we're dealing with outdoors. It's just a huge, huge advantage. So that's advantage number 7, reduce theft and vandalism. As we go into the next Modular Minute, we're going to be talking about the advantages of state inspections on the modular side. I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thank you so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors. We get into the details of how we are building modular renewable energy smart homes and how you can be involved as an investor. Just click the link in the description below to register for the event.